How to use Character AI. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to use Character AI. First, open your web browser and go to the Character AI website. Then, click on Sign Up if you don't have an account yet. If you already have an account, click on Login. Here, you will need to enter your email address and create a password. Follow the prompts to complete the registration process. After that, log in to your account. Now, you can start by exploring available characters or creating a new one. To explore, browse the character library and choose one that interests you. If you want to create a new character, click on Create. Then, enter the character's name and provide details about their personality and background. Then, you can start interacting with the character by typing your messages or questions into the chat interface. As you chat, the character will respond based on the personality and traits you defined. Finally, you can customize the character further or create new characters as needed. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.